Example 1, we're going to use a straight edge to draw a line M. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to copy this line segment AB. And copying a line segment means that you want to draw another segment the exact same length. It does not have to have the same like tilt to it. I can have it going that way, straight up and down, left and right, whatever. So don't get all like bent out of shape about it being exactly the same direction. If you want to do that, though, you're welcome to try. You take your straight edge to start off with and you draw a line. Okay, the only requirement of this line is that it's longer than the segment you're trying to copy. Use your eyes to approximate. We're not measuring. Okay, the ruler is not to measure distance. The ruler is to draw a straight line. That's its only purpose. Ideally, I could have ordered just like a metal piece of steel that whatever that just had no numbers on. But again, if I'm considering, I'm looking at how long AB is. I'm going to draw a line that is longer than AB. And we all agree that that's longer than AB. Okay, so again, that's all the step 1 is. And we're going to call this line M. Okay, typically a line is identified with a lowercase cursive looking letter, italicized letter. I mean, if you just put a lowercase letter on there, I'll believe that that's a line name. Okay, it says mark point Q on line M. So I want to put a point Q somewhere towards the end of it, like here. You can pick a different point name if you wish. I'm just, for the sake of having directions, I wanted to have point names, line names, so when I refer to something, you know what I'm talking about. Okay. So next, you're going to place the compass point on point A. So you're going to come up here to point A. Here. And you want to open up the compass so that the pencil is on point B. Okay. I want you to mark an arc there so I can see that you physically measured the length of AB with your compass. Okay. And again, for the compass, if you put the compass point in the paper, put a little pressure on the pencil, then twist your paper. I usually hold the pointy end of the compass when I do it. So it's just like you hold the pointy end of the compass, lean it forward a little bit with your pencil, and then just slide your paper around. All right, so again, hold the pointy end within. That's the only place you're holding. Push forward a little bit on your pencil and then just twist the paper. That's kind of like this. All right. Okay, now once you've measured that distance, do not change your compass measurement. All right, so basically your compass is locked in place right there. I want you to take your compass, bring it over to point Q, and put an arc through line M. That compass is a set radius. So the radius of this arc and the radius of this arc are the same length, which means from Q to this point of intersection of the arc and the line is the same length. So it says to mark this point of intersection R. And we've completed the construction. QR is the same length as AB. So we've copied the segment. And again, I told you not to use the ruler for measurement, but just for verification's sake, you're welcome to do this. Look at the measurement on mine, and again, this is not to scale, but this is marked off as 3.6 centimeters, or inches, it's probably no centimeters, 3.6 centimeters. If I put this on A, move it around like so, we can see that it is also 3.6 centimeters. So there we go. So if you want to check your construction, you're copying a segment, they're supposed to be the same length.